The equation of a circle is x squared minus 8x plus y squared plus 6y plus 17 is equal to 0. Find the coordinates of the centre of the circle and the radius of the circle, giving your answer in the exact form. Okay, so we've got x squared minus 8x plus y squared plus 6y plus 17 is equal to 0. Now the objective is to rewrite this into this format. X minus a all squared plus y minus b all squared is equal to r squared, because that will mean that the centre of the circle is a comma b and the radius will be equal to r. Now in order to do that, let's just write this down. We need to take the 17 to the other side. So we've got x squared minus 8x plus y squared plus 6y is equal to minus 17. And what you have to do now is complete the square. So you look at this number here on the 8x, and then you have to take half. You have to really understand what completing the square means. And you write down x minus half of 8, which is 4, taking into account the sign as well. So you get x minus 4 all squared. So we're sort of making this. Now over here we've still got the minus 17, but when you do this process, you add in minus 4 squared, which is 16. So on this side, you must also add in 16. Then you do the same here to the 6y. Half of 6 is 3. The sign this time is plus. So it's going to be y plus 3 all squared. And in doing this process, you have added in 3 squared. So over here, we must add in 3 squared, which is 9. Right, so that now gives me, on this side, x minus 4 all squared plus y plus 3 all squared. Now minus 17 plus 16 plus 9 gives me 8. So we now have it in that format. So the centre of the circle will be A, which is 4, and the y coordinate will be minus 3, because look, it might be b here, the minus b gives you 3, so therefore b must be equal to minus 3. And the radius will be the square root of 8, and the square root of 8 is the same as 2 root 2. This is what it means in the exact form, because 8, that's 4 times 2. 4 times square root of 4 is 2 root 2. Okay, so this has been a video to show you how to find the centre and the radius of a circle from its equation. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.